My name is Tyler Evans. I am a pre-nursing major here at Vol State. I'm 19 years old and I'm from White House, Tennessee. I've lived there all my life, and I plan to take my pre-nursing degree from Vol State and carry it to Tennessee Tech University to graduate with my BSN, hopefully to become either a pediatric registered nurse or a heart catheter lab registered nurse. I will be going off whenever I graduate in the spring. The reason I'm taking this class is communication is very important when it comes to the medical field. The entire medical field is based off of the fundamentals of communication, whether that's provider to provider or provider to patient. All sorts of information is going to have to be relayed back and forth. When you're educating a patient about their condition, you want to be able to communicate that as much as you can. And you want to be able to use listening skills to be able to listen to a patient and to be able to assess their condition. So communication is used all the time in the medical field. I have a little bit of a background in public speaking. In high school, I was the MC of the pep rallies, so I was regularly getting in front of large crowds and regularly getting in front of, everybody in the gym and kind of directing everybody and asking for participants and trying to find people who would want to do the events. And I also did the announcements in the morning, so I would read from a script about just, the daily morning announcements about everything, sports scores and different clubs that were meeting, everything like that. So I do suffer from a few symptoms of nervousness whenever it comes to public speaking. I unfortunately suffer from general anxiety disorder. So, the normal shaking and, shaky voice, sweaty palms, and everything like that comes along with having anxiety disorder, something that I unfortunately suffer from. I feel like I'm a good communicator. I feel like I pronounce and, enunciate my words very well. I feel like I'm very fluid when it comes to my words, but getting in front of a lot of people can be very nerve-wracking for me. One way that I've been able to get around this is I just kind of look at it from the aspect that nobody really wants to be in front of a group of people giving a presentation. So from that aspect, I just think of that if I really don't want to get in front of this and give this presentation, I guarantee everybody else in the class also doesn't want to give this presentation. So there's a little bit of comfort in, realizing the similarity between everybody, that nobody else really wants to get up there and give the presentation anyways. It's kind of the reason why I'm taking it online, because I feel a lot better speaking in front of people that I'm comfortable around. So I feel like I would just have an easier time in this class. So other than that, breath management has been really helpful for me, just kind of taking deep breaths and just, kind of calming myself down, finding ways to calm myself down have really helped in my public speaking. But appreciate you guys listening, and I'm looking forward to a good semester, and I'm looking forward to hear what everybody has to say.